the best session till now. All the session. This is the last session of mine. I was not going to do it today. I was supposed to reschedule it. I even did it, but I'm glad I didn't go for that and I set for it. It was very calming. It was so much to learn. It was very colorful.
Yes,
For
Vishal.
today's class, I actually borrowed the colors and the sketches from my daughters,
Mhm.
and they gave it to me with a lot of instructions. Don't use that. Don't do this. So the first thing I'm going to do is go and buy some for me for my use. It was really relaxing. After a very long time, I think I colored something. I took out some crayons, and it was fun. And I'm sure from when the school starts now, I'm going to go to my classes with a bag of crayons and a because I only today I understood how refreshing and relaxed.
Thank you. And I really, really, really love the session. Actually, at heart, I really enjoy music a lot. And I just had a small query actually.
Yes.
When I saw that the webinar was regarding this, I
Mhm.
immediately was interested and I even put a reminder on my phone because I just tend to forget. Um, I was also wanting to explore by learning being a special educator, I actually wanted to include music therapy in my session. So
Mhm.
while I understood a little bit about it, but I thought if there was a little more deep diving into how one can become incorporate being a music therapist more, passed away so soon. And I was really enjoying and wanting to do a little bit more.
Thank you. Thank you for giving your wonderful time for us. And as a teacher, there was lots of questions in my mind that if I'm going to become a SEND teacher, how can I tackle my students? So it was quite, everything was new for me, even your activities. Yeah, last day when I was taking a class for my kid, he was not like in any type of special kid, but he was really telling me, ma'am, I don't need a warm-up session. You can just take me directly to the class. I don't need a music. So I just understood the answer from the session only. Why that child don't love the music. He really want to draw, but he don't want to hear the music. So like that, a lots of doubts was in my mind that if I want to become a SEND teacher, what are the strategies which I can really put forward to make my children engaging in the class to get the full thing. So a lot of these activities, I'm very happy today because I have something to make my kids very better and best in the class. And thank you for your time and your valuable guidance, ma'am. And it was a very wonderful session, as Niyoshi told. It was engaging. We also got a lot of things, and to be very frank, we don't know that the time was running off. When you said to me, like, yeah, we are going to end the session like that, and just checking my clock. Oh my God, the time is already up. So thank you for never making us bored for a single fraction of second. Thank you,
Yeah.
ma'am.
So these sessions being in the afternoon, I'm very reluctant because, and like being a Saturday, the weekend that we have, so it becomes very difficult. The timing also 3 in the afternoon. But the session today was one of the best so far, though others were very informative. But here, a lot of interaction and not a single moment you're distracted or, the mind was drifted away to something else. And it has increased the curiosity more, to learn more so that it can be implemented in the classroom. So I really enjoyed the session. Thank you for doing this for us today. It was really, really interesting and very relaxing, keeping everything else away. It was really very fun.
Yes, ma'am. I have to thank you for the gratitude space given to us, ma'am. Many of us don't have the time to be grateful for what we have today in this past life, but today's session gave us for that space. Thank you for that, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. I wanted to actually express this. The patterns, standing line, slanting line, and everything. I have seen my children draw. Even I teach them. My son, I have twins, my son and my daughter. My son has a small behavioral disability, which I came across and I came to know from today's parents' meet from his teacher. He doesn't focus, he doesn't give eye contact with his teacher, which is a big complaint she has been communicating to me today. And I felt a little heavy, a little down. So, but after attending your class, I'm quite inspired And I want to tell you that you have really taught us how to incorporate art into bringing the attention of such children. I love art. I draw, I sketch, I paint, but I never knew how patterns could be incorporated into meaningful messages. And that is very important for children who have learning disability, behavioral issues, who do not give focus or do not even give eye contact to their
Right.
teachers.
It is very important.
I really would love to do this even at home
Correct.
you're
You should. You should.
my daughter, yes, she is quite attentive. She is observing well. She listens to her teacher, but it is actually my son who needs more attention and want to.
Thank you so much, ma'am, because it was very creative and very relaxing too, and it helps us to implement in our classrooms too with the children, so that even they will be relaxed and they will learn much more. Thank you so much.